Hey everybody, we're going to start with a warm-up and then we'll get into what we're going to be doing today. All right, so in this warm-up, let's read the scenario. All right, Taylor buys candy at the store that costs $1.50 per candy bar. We're going to create a table that could represent Taylor's cost per candy bar. And then we're going to graph the points on the graph and create a rule that represents the relationship. All right, so let's get started. So we know we're going to come over here to the graph. And we know that one candy bar, so we're going to put one here, one candy bar costs $1.50. Okay, so now we have to think, okay, so what about if she buys two candy bars? So what do we do? If the first one was $1.50, the next another one's going to be $1.50, so we just multiply $1.50 times 2, and we get $3. Fill this in as we're going through. Now go ahead and finish 3 candy bars and 4 candy bars. And go ahead and fill in those amounts. And I'm going to give you a minute to do it. All right, so did you come up with 3 candy bars cost $4.50? And then 4 candy bars cost $6. So what you got? So let's look at the pattern. So we multiplied 1 times $1.50. Okay, so we multiplied by $1.50 to get $1.50. How did we get 2 candy bars? We again multiplied 2 times $1.50 to get $3. And then for 3 candy bars, we multiplied by $1.50 to get $4.50. And then finally, for the 4th candy bar, we multiplied 4 times $1.50, which gave us $6. That's $6, not 6. 6. Okay, so it's $6. Now, do you see the pattern here? All right, notice the constant rate is $1.50 because that's how much every candy bar costs. So we're going to go ahead and let's graph the points. Okay, remember, this is considered X and this is considered Y. So you look at the X and Y coordinates and you can see that the X axis here is talking about the candy bars, which is X over here. And the Y is the cost. So if X is 1, we're going to plot the points. So if X is 1, we're going to come over here to 1, and then we're going to go up to 1.5, which is 1.5, and we plot the point right there. All right, so the next one is X is 2. We're going to go up to 3. So here's 2. And we're going to go up to 3, and we're going to plot the point. The next one is 3 candy bars. Cost $4.50, which is 4.5. And plot the point. And finally, the last candy bar, 4 candy bars, cost $6. Now, do you notice anything? So what you should have noticed is that it created a line. And that goes straight through all of the points. If I put the points out there right. So now what we want to do is create a rule that represents the relationship. So here we have y. What does y equal? Y equals something times x. Well, what did we multiply to x? We multiplied $1.50. So $1.50 times whatever x is gave us y. So this is the equation of a line. So y equals m times x. And m is the slope. And you know how we can tell what the slope is, just like you guys did the other day. All right, if the slope is 1.5, remember we always go over 1. So we come up 1.5 and over 1. We come up 1.5 and over 1. 1.5 and over 1. And that's what the slope is. And the slope, remember, is the steepness of a line. All right. Move on to the next activity.